And ever since that the alleged Igbo king in Ghana ever conversation, I heard Dr. Chukudi Jude Ehenetu about training Ghana for Akasabi will be in fact because Igbo must go, Nigeria must go. There's been so many noise on the internet. And I'm gonna be Ekasa Papa or somebody wanting Emekasa. And in fact, my parents were back on a year to do this Igbo man Wabekasa. Finally Wabekasa. Now they say coach them say masa. Mo kasa mo ri dey na no. Eye libre na yemo o tan hunu na mota. Everybody. Was say o tan hunu na mota no. But nyabre afi dey go into details. Ni a chere training sem no. Aha yi Penyah media. Mess was say need mo. Obera like video no under my subscribe button and click notification latest update. Na ba chere wa join their mama e wo comment section. Mess was so baso. No ashi no for so enya bi ahwe. Eyi Herh trend the alleged Igbo king in Ghana, Dr. Chukudi Jude Ehenetu, I even titled Dr. Nekrano. Menene nyadwene if say interviewer okoye wo 3FM on a Black Rasta. Ehon okochire school bego timi ko duruye.
My own brethren, my brother, my sister, His Royal Majesty Eze, Dr. Chukudi Jude Ehenetu. The king of the Igbo right here in Ghana. I'm going to be having a very beautiful conversation. Ekuonaba. My name is the Black Rasta. I want to say thank you so much. Now the conversation starts right now, and I'm most excited to have you. Your Royal Majesty, how are you doing?
Very fine, my brother Black Rasta. How are you doing too?
I'm okay by the grace of the Most High. Kindly draw the microphone closer to you. Thank you so much. Appreciated. Oh my God, have mercy. I'm happy to have you face to face one more time.
Thank you, my brother.
Oh my God. Now walk me through your upbringing. Where were you born? When were you born? And who were your parents?
I was born in Umudroha, Igbo, Nwangele, local government area of Imo State, Nigeria. I was born in a family of 7 siblings. We are 8 in number. My father was a primary school teacher. My mother was a farmer. She's still alive though, a farmer. And I was born in a family that have a lot of respect to each other, that respect culture and tradition and respect elders. Family that have a lot of morals. Family that have taught us on how to live together and how to love each other and how to work hard for tomorrow. And to God be the glory. I also grew up with my grandparents, the mom and the papa of my mom. And I'm a child that grew up under the umbrella of the 2 elderly people, wonderful elderly people. My grandmom died at the age of 105 years and my grandfather, same 100-something years. To God be the glory, this is who I am. And by the grace of God, I schooled, had my primary school education, secondary school education, and joined business at a very young age of life. By the special grace of God, I did not join university immediately after my school because I was born from a home where there is no money, but we have food in abundance. We have no money, okay?
If this is your educational lifestyle, then why did you get the title doctor? Unya doctor no remember. Another title is can be me for doctor keke. Get me for doctor anyhow. It's even title as a doctor no kwano. Me will issue on that. Me no know what sem e wo. Onyin free no so. Onye doctor masa. Onyin free no so. Enti we am do be ko deep. E chiro mo se e fa nsem a ningu ahemfo no ene sound de be ka say oh. Biro na governor e je opo ya to asase e wo nigo pram ene aflawo a oye ahini bi wo hodo bodi adade no. O meka enye no kre no. Me sa be ka to say there be Eza Sanjo Admo can Ubu Chatro, if say papa eye interview 2024, a hono eno kesi supi. Ese wachichiri village, ese wachichiru, wachichiri esi Igbo school, esi bibia or hono.
Who don't know under me no different local governments.
Yes,
and I over 2 million Igbos. Ghana, I name of ma. I am into trading in Ghana. And we other people not entrepreneurs. No, why also other Nigerians so one day but not to banking and different other areas of business life. And I were over 200-something thousand Nigerian students in Ghana and 60% to Igbo. And 100% Nigerians in Ghana, 60% to Igbo. So Igbos in Ghana are doing very well. I am with Igbo village. I need to develop right now in Ghana, where we're gonna have a center for the Igbos in Ghana and Igbo all over the world. We have every right to come and live there. I don't want to Ghana. I am with the Igbo speaking school, and I got every Saturday from 10 to 12. I'm with about 720 students so far. Now I'm at the Igbo school in Ghana. So Igbo school, Igbo village, Igbo, Ndi Igbo in Ghana on the Jamaica in Homa. It's up bottom back on Igbo Ikeja. So Nandes Pusiri Kihuna Obi Igbo na Ghana. We hear seriously. And we're going to remind me Ghana Nana Abia. I hope you make when Kaman Reba Mana Lolom when you're Ghana. Ike Chineka, you are recruiting the Igbo 30th September Garaga. I received over 7,000 Nigerians. And who was there? Igbo Kingdom na Ghana was also otu Obi Igbo no wanile the government ebe na behana batara ime nchọpụta ị ga-eme ihe bekee na-akpọ nchọpụta bekee na-akpọ research ị ga-ahụ na anyị nwasịtụ na ndị eji ama
Emma Mesaka Joseph Papa, our 11 paramount chiefs under him as a king.
So by his grace, I am the first Igbo diasporan king in Ghana. Then the process of this, our fathers from home, because we have diasporan structure that crown diasporan kings. That was formed by Chief Emeka Odumogojuku. So there are kingmakers he ordained, and there are diasporan kings also he ordained, and from there many more was ordained. So we also flew them from Nigeria to come and establish Igbo diasporan throne. So they came here to crown me the first ever and give me the authority to crown other sub-Igbo kings under me. So of which the first ever I count was Eze Samuel Ekezie from Dansuma. Second, it says Kennedy Ginikanwa in Medina. The third, it says Chumo Kadibo Aranda Dotema. The fourth is Eze Andrew in Amasama. And Eze Andrew now, in his village, they have made him a king. He has gone back home. The third was Eze Victor Iminaflao. And the fifth is Eze Tony Las in Domikpokwasi Ridge. The sixth is Eze Kingsley. Igwe Kingsley in Central Region. The seventh is Eze Abuchi in Kaswa. And the eighth is Kingsley also in Ashama. And the last, but not the least, that we did December 22nd, that is in Tamale, as Collins. So all these are under me being their head. So, and the purpose of all this is for we to bring our people in those areas close to themselves, because only me cannot see to everybody. So we'll portion these different areas where people are. Before we do this, we'll go to the paramountcy of that area to let them know what we want to do, ask them for the traditional rites we should do for them, we'll do it, and they will also induct our people that we count over there in his kingdom, and we also perform our traditional rites as Igbo people. They do that before we do ours. That shows that the owners of the land has welcomed you to be a foreign chief in their land.
Our 11 paramount chief, Abaku Eni, our high chief, Okechukwu Ono, the General Ono, meaning a prime minister and as a special advisor to a king. Or another paramount chief, I have a high chief, Harrison Kalu. Harrison Kalu, chief of staff. There's a Ghana or chief of staff now, Ghana. Next paramount chief, Eze Samuel Ekezi. Samuel Ekezi, Sempe paramount chief. Another chief, Eze Kennedy. Lam Quantanine paramount chief, Another chief, Eze Chuma. Chuma, Adonte Maihene, paramount chief, Another chief, Eze Anim Victor. Eze Anim Victor, Aflao Maihene, under him. Aflao paramount chief, Another paramount chief, Eze Goodluck. Ayawaso. Ayawaso traditional area. Maihene Wapai Abono, Another chief is Dr. Chinedu or a central region organ who one a Ekuonaba pay yabon my hen. Another chief is Dr. Dennis or also a Kaswa central region my hen. Another chief is Dr. Kinsley Igbo or also a Ashamai my hen. Another chief is Dr. Tony or also a Dome Kobenya my hen. Our pay our 11 paramount chiefs under him. But Sam George any ningua him for say omu muza hini bia e koso e Ghana. E me yam katro say we hosting program we be afibia no you program oye ebene yam festival.
Baba, Yami Enshaw, Sawa Baba Beta.
You don't have the procedure of doing things.
Our brochure is here going round.
Or yet this program on 22nd of September every year. Emma even 25 you can we are planning program on Babe. Now this issue by Ghana for only be Igbo must go. Igbo must go. Yem peno. Yem pamno on free uncle. They all coswa. Yen deported Captain Smart. Captain Koje Smart now and the aye Captain Okechukwu Smart. Captain Okechukwu. Yam finding count on uncle we said now wakoje anyam. Wakoje charge. Only Onyamba Empress Gift. Kwame Tuafo. Ghana version of Kwame Tuafo. Judas is cabbage. When you carrot. Judas is cabbage. Yam pamuka no monko. Ye yawo Ghana. Motuba. Yatia say Motuba ko Igbo for monko. Muno monko ye yamo. Ye nya Igbo ni bi Ghana so. He said captains obe Igbo ni. Ye nya Igbo ni bia Empress. Obe Igbo ni ye nya Igbo. Se ba se pam a mo beka ho bi. I swear to you people. Se ka se pam Igbo for Ghana Captain Smart. When Empress gift mo ka ho. Mo ho asere. Mo ka hwem di. Se pam Igbo fu a mo ka ho bi. Mo be free ya ko be surprise. Ye be ka mo se mo an mo. Ye be pam mo se. Ye be pam mo se mo an. Ye be mukura Igbo. Ye be pam mo se mo an. Na bu se Ghana for ka say mu na dey say ye can be say Igbo must go no. Papa yi abeye interview. Na otire mu say fast man Ghana for ka fa na ho any ade adene dey eye nibre eni wotan hunu. Ana Ghana for the town. What audacity? What audacity?
Some of Ghanaian bloggers are speaking against Igbo diaspora throne in Ghana. The one I'm in charge of, the one I'm in leadership of it, the one I'm at the head of it. Some bloggers in Ghana are saying that Igbos are not supposed to give the opportunity to have a diaspora throne in Ghana. Why? What is wrong with that? Others have diaspora throne here in Ghana. And the elders of the land appreciate the existence of foreigners that live in their land and appreciate the existence of Igbos that live in their land. So how come some few bloggers that are looking for daily bread through blogging are sitting down there on their various platforms and casting against the Igbos that live in Ghana, to the extent calling Igbos 419, to the extent even calling me, the Igbo diaspora king here 419, that I took the throne on the 419. What do you mean by that? The throne was given to me by my people, so how come, I took the throne by 419. That is crazy. And this is assassination of character. This is a destroying of character. And those that are engaged destroying my name, that the Igbo throne in Ghana is a 419 throne. Be rest assured that I will sue you. No matter any country you think you are, and you are destroying the name of Igbos in Ghana, destroying the name of Igbo throne in Ghana, I will sue you, because you cannot destroy a whole tribe and go free by that. Some of you are saying that Igbos, when we have a handshake with you, will suck your blood. Some people are saying Igbos are killing, drinking blood and all. That is not true. It's never true. Igbos are hard-working people, one of the best species here on earth that are hard-working people. You who sitting down there as a blogger, looking for free money because you are blogging, looking for free money, and you sit down there destroying people's name, is wrong. Go and work hard and make daily bread with your hands. Go and work hard and have a life change than sitting down there as a blogger. People are paying you to destroy people's name. I'm sorry, it's a very bad omen. So it's better you change your ways from there. People also, based on the blog, people also, based on the bloggers saying nonsense things against myself and Igbo people, that why would God Traditional Council induct Igbo Ghana into the council? My brother, my sister, you the blogger who is sitting down there to say all this kind of thing that you don't know what you are talking about. There's no how a foreign diasporan throne, whether you are Yoruba, you are Mosu, you are Hausa, you are Ivorian, will exist without the approval of the owners of the land for them to welcome you. So I am not the first ever person that the Traditional Council, the traditional areas of various areas in Ghana has welcomed into their community. And the elders understand how important it is. But you bloggers sitting down there, you don't know you don't know how important it is for we to have a communion together, to have community together. So remember that I am not leading or ruling our nation. Our host nation is the Igbo people, the Igbo tribe. I'm not even ruling other Nigeria tribes, just the Igbos. And by the special grace of God, we respect the land. We submit to the authority of the land. I've lived in Ghana for many years. This is my 30 years in Ghana, in and out Ghana. Married a Ghanaian, also a queen mother from her community. And I have no criminal record in Ghana. I'm a genuine businessman. I have no criminal record in Ghana. I work so hard for daily bread. So you go and work so hard for daily bread, not sitting down behind the camera and blogging with fake information and destruction of people's name. Be careful anywhere you are. Sometimes a lot of people ask me that they always see me most of Ghanaian programs, and some people also tell me they see most Ghanaian kings in Igbo program in Ghana. I tell them these are some of the reasons that Igbos have the diaspora throne for we to exchange culture. It's all about promoting African culture. It's not just promoting only Igbo culture, but promoting African culture. In Ghanaian traditional programs I go in there with our culture. There you can see the two cultures blend together. The Ghanaian people also that come to Igbo traditional displaying culture like a Yam festival. You see also another culture within and around Igbo culture. It's also promotion of African culture. I tell people that African culture is the same. There's no different about African culture. It's all about the language that separated us. So the communication between our host nation and ourselves, the Igbo people, in regards to culture, is all about cultural promotion. So you, the blogger, who is saying, why are we mixing up with the Ghanaian culture? You need to learn about culture. You need to understand that African culture is the same. You need to understand that the division within African continent is just the border issues that our colonial masters brought to us. So we need to, even you, that place you are as a blogger, you rather need to promote African culture, not to bring misunderstanding and division among the people. So when you see us mingling with our people, it's all about African promotion of our culture. I'm so surprised as I saw some of the bloggers insulting our powerful Ghanaian kings, more especially in
what audacity? Papa yin kasa ekra na me respecting kaka. What audacity? When the tower, ye tower de ye tower si epedai. Wuti obi asase so bobọ man hene, wan bọ man hene. Wo betu bi kro bọ man hene na ye cars ye tower. Ye tower se epedai na everywhere. Enye ne for they present. When your journalists living kwasi afọ ni biti the TV stations defend this and you were Chinatown called Ghana in the normal. Chinatown. One was a China ni ba bọ man hene o Ghana. One was a China ni bi harvest at kingdom. Ah no na bọ man hene. The point papa we e wo kaso man hene. Domi kobenya man hene, aflawo man hene, or boba man hene, or 11. You tell a big canquas yourself. You can say big canquas yourself. Say you were Chinatown Ghana, Winnie Munyan Senti, Chinatown Ghana, the papa in your Ghana, China Niba Naibo Ghana. Business how you'll be in yourself. Ghana say, a business, and you say it's kind of a pay, open so baby, and require no combine say this kind of a pay, open so baby, ready, obey started kingdom. In next years to come, Obetma claiming ownership of Ensase. What take a canquas as when we go to Chinatown? More, Butia will for mom, Butina Bobo for mom, Munyanquas as a master. So we need the same Biaka Munya Jimeno. Munya Jimenian fight a fight, Munya Jimeno. Tell your mammy, our conversation. I open up media.